Take 2 beef shanks 1 inch thick. Tie them as shown and season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. Dip each piece into flour, coating them well. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then sear the shanks for about 5 minutes per side until browned and crispy. In another pan, add a drizzle of oil, then sauté chopped onions until soft. Add 1 cup sliced carrots and 1 cup sliced leeks and cook for about 3 minutes. Make a space in the center, add 3 cloves minced garlic and sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, ½ teaspoon black pepper and 2 teaspoons thyme, and cook everything together for 5 minutes. Pour in 2 cups beef broth, give it a good mix, then turn off the heat. Place the seared beef shanks into the sauce, cover the pan tightly and transfer to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 2.5 hours until tender and full of flavor. And there you have it, rich, tender braised beef shanks with deep, comforting flavors. The meat is beautifully infused with the sauce, and that marrow inside the bone is pure gold. Serve it hot with your favorite side and enjoy every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from Heaven's Kitchen. Share it with someone who loves good food, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.